Hello my dear students of class 7. Today we will be starting the next chapter in maths, that is exponents and powers. So let us understand what is this. When I write a number like this, 3 raised to the power 2. Here 3 is called the base and 2 is called the exponent or index. So we can call it as 3 raised to the power 2. If I tell the basic way of writing, it is like a raised to the power n. So a is the base and n is the exponent or index. Now what does this mean? When I write 3 to the power 2, it means 3 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9. So the value of 3 raised to the power 2 will be 9. Similarly, if I write 4 raised to the power 3, that means 4 is multiplied 3 times. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So the exponent or the base is written at the bottom, exponent or the index is written at the top as a power. Also we call it the power at times. Now when there is a negative number, suppose negative 1 raised to a even power. Now when I multiply minus 1 10 times, the result will become positive 1, because minus is raised to the power 10, which is an even number. Similarly, when minus 10 is raised to the power 11 is an odd number, so the negative will remain, so it will be minus 1. I will show you an easy example. Like if I say minus 1 raised to the power 3, it means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So you know in integers, when we multiply two negative numbers, it is a positive, so it is 1 1s are 1. And again when I multiply it with a negative, the result will be negative 1. So the result of minus 1 raised to the power 3, which is an odd number, the result is also in negative. Same thing if I do minus 1 to the power 4, I will get this much, and I will multiply minus 1 once again. This is the result of minus 1 raised to the power 3 and multiplied with minus 1 again. So I get a plus 1, or simply I can write only 1, which represents a positive number. So remember that whenever any number, it's not just with 1, it may be any number raised to even, it may be any even or odd number, negative number raised to the power even or odd will decide the answer will be negative or positive. So here minus 2 to the power 3 means answer is definitely going to be in negative, because the power is odd. What will be the result? We have to multiply it 3 times. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and negative in the front because the power is odd. And similarly, if I had an even power, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 and into minus 3, like this you are going to find the value. How many times it is raised, you multiply it that many times. It is not addition, it's multiplication. So minus and minus is plus, 3 3s are 9 into minus 3 again, so that will be minus 27, and again with the last minus, the result will become positive 81. So you can see the answer is in positive. So I am sure you have now understood the concept of what is exponent, how to calculate the value, what is the base. Now for example, let me ask you again, can you tell here what is the base? In this one it is minus 1. What is the exponent here? 11. So you just have to understand which is the base, which is the exponent, and solve the exercise questions. So let us solve a few of them for your understanding. Now in this question, it is asking us to find the value of 2 to the power 4 So let us do the first one. 2 to the power 4 means you have to show that 2 is multiplied 4 times and then you multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Simple. The bit 2 says that minus 3 raised to the power 3. So remember, now 3 is multiplied 3 times, so odd number of times, so we will definitely have a negative in the answer. So just multiply the numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So minus 27. Do not make mistake while writing the symbols plus or minus. In our next question, simplify 2 to the power 5 into 9. So 2 to the power 5 into 9 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times into 9. So you know that 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. 32 into 9. You can do in the rough. 27, 28. So our answer is 288. It is very simple if you understand how the power is being raised and how many times you have to multiply. Now little more longer question. 4 to the power 2 means 4 into 4. 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied 3 times. Now am I going to write it 122 times? No. Just see, the power is even number. So minus 1 will become plus 1. So I can just write 1. In the side you can even write that this result into a positive 1 because the power is even. Now 4 4s are 16 into 9 into 3 is 27. So 16 into 27. So we can multiply and get the result as 432. So this is easy to solve. Just open the number of power it is, the number that many times you multiply and get the result. Let us see some more questions. Find the greater 2 to the power 5 or 5 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 5 means it is 2 multiplied 5 times. That is equal to 32. 5 to the power 2 means 5 multiplied 2 times, which is 25. So obviously this is the greater one. So 2 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 2. So you solve, see which is greater and write that as the answer. Our next question is write as power of 2. The number is 128. So how to write in a power of any number? Do the prime factorization. You already know how to do the prime factorization. So as it is 8, you first start with 2. 64s are 232, 216, 28, 24, 22, and here all the numbers are in 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 2 raised to the power 2. My result is 2 raised to the power 2. And the next question, to what power minus 2 should be raised to get 16? Minus 2 has to be raised. So we have to do the prime factorization of 16. So you can see it is raised to the power 4. But here it is asking minus 2. So obviously even if it is minus 2, our result will not change because you know that power is even. So our answer will be definitely equal to plus 16 only. So our answer is 4. Do the prime factorization and get the result. Now how to find the value of x in this question? Now here it is already in the simplified form. 32 and 3125 is not in the simple form. So we have to do the prime factorization of both the numbers. So let us do it. So it is 2 raised to the power 5 and 3125. So you can add and check 5. You can start with 5, but first see whether you can do it with 3 because 2 is not possible because last number is not even. 5 plus 2 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can't do it with 3. So we'll go with next is 5. 6 are 30, 2s are 10, 5s are 25. Again So you can see this is nothing but 5 raised to the power 5. So you can see both of them have come as a term of this. So I can write it neatly as this is x, and this can be written as 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. As both are having the common power, I can take it out. So here the value of x will become 5. And our next question is do the prime factorization. Now I am very sure you already know how to do it. So you can check 2 is not possible, 3. So you can see 4 plus 0 plus 5 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. So let us begin with 3. 3s are 45. 3s are 15. 3s are 5. So here we have to write in exponential form. So you can see we are having 4 times 3, so write raised to the power 3, and 5 is only 1 time, so you just write 5 to the power 1. Similarly with 2280, as last number is 0, you can start with 2, 1, 1, 4, 0, 2s are 570, again 2s are 285. Now I can't do with 2, I can try 10. So I can try 3. So 2 plus 8, 10 plus 5, 15. Yes, 7s are 9s are 27, and 5s are, and then again 5, 19s are, and 19 is a prime number. So how do I represent? 1, 2, 3 times 2. 3 is 1 time, 5 is 1 time, and 19 is also 1 time. So this is our answer. So you can easily solve the exercise question. Please do let me know in the comment section whether you were able to understand the solved questions. Thank you for watching.